Hi guys, Stephanie here with All Mom Does, and I'm here with my 12-year-old daughter, Mackenzie. We are making a side dish for a 4th of July party we're going to, and I'm gonna show you how to make it. It's a Caprese salad, red, white, and blue, so pretty easy to throw together. Here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need fresh mozzarella balls. I got these at Trader Joe's. Tomatoes. I love these sprinkles from Trader Joe's because they're just like so tiny and perfect bite size, but you can really cut up tomatoes. You can use anything you like. I'm also gonna attempt to cut stars out of mozzarella cheese. So I have a little star cookie cutter. You're gonna use some basil that I got. And then a little bit unique to this is we're gonna use blueberries. I don't usually put blueberries in Caprese, but it's gonna be the blue for the red, white, and blue. The other thing you're gonna need is a balsamic glaze. I'm using this cherry balsamic sauce that we just got it at the grocery store. So I'm gonna get everything washed and prepped. I'm gonna chop the basil. I'm gonna have Mackenzie probably do that, and then I'll show you how we put it all together. Okay, so we have everything chopped and washed. We chopped up the basil. I'm doing about a cup. I don't know that I'm gonna use that much. And then I did end up chopping up the balls of mozzarella, so lesson learned, you can probably save a few bucks by not buying the ball. I could have just bought the chunk. And then use the leftovers from the stars as the mozzarella. But the stars turned out really cute, actually. So those are just gonna go on top to make it even more 4th of July themed. So I'm just gonna throw everything into a bowl. Okay, so about a half cup to start with of basil into the bowl. Okay, a cup, or this is probably a little bit more, of tomatoes. We're gonna do a cup of blueberries. We're just kind of testing this out, so we'll see how the measurements are. And then I chopped up the whole thing of mozzarella, so I'm just gonna have her dump in the whole thing, and we'll just see. A little bit of salt and pepper. If you have olive oil, you might wanna put about a tablespoon. I'm somehow out of olive oil. I don't know how that happened.
Now we stir. Now a little bit of balsamic glaze.
Okay, so then I transferred it into this white bowl. It'd be really cute if you had a star-shaped bowl or something maybe longer and flatter, I think would be a little bit better, but I'm working with what I have. So this looks really festive and cute, and it's gonna taste good. Continue to follow All Mom Does for additional tips, tricks, and daily inspiration.
Happy 4th of July.